finally, I think it's time for us to be able to start planting the pumpkin seeds. Claire wants to plant pumpkin seeds, so I'm going to go get some. But first, our topsoil needs to be replenished and so forth. So I've got to go get some big giant bags of topsoil. And then I think we're going to take this down because she doesn't seem to bother it at all really at this point. And yeah, we're going to do a bunch of topsoil, grab some pumpkin seeds, and I'm going to look at the tomatoes and ask them about planting and stuff, like if it's too early or not. But things have greened up and leafed out a whole lot around here in the last couple, like maybe the last week, I guess. Everything's very green and filled in, and it's hard to see the horses now, but they're down there. So let's go to the nursery and get the stuff we need. We're gonna go get dirt. I now have a puppy car seat in my car, right in the middle in the back seat. Yep, she's going to be going with us to Indiana in a couple days. Okay, this isn't much, but this is what I got so far. I'm decided I need Jim to help me with the giant things of dirt for, you know, to fill in there. That's going to have to happen when he gets back from where he is, and then we get back from Indiana, because we're going to be in Indiana into Friday, starting Friday. So, anyway, what I'm going to have for my things are, I've got cilantro, 2 things of cilantro. If anyone can help me figure out how to keep it growing, like once you've clipped off the cilantro, I can't seem to get it to then redo. So if someone knows that, let me know. I'd love that. And then this, I got some basil. And Claire really wanted me to try to find some green beans, and we're just going to try one plant. We've done it before. Wasn't that great, but we're going to try the one plant, so hopefully she'll agree with that one. And then I knew she'd love this pet grass. Somehow pets are supposed to like it. Have no idea. I thought that could be cute. We'll look into it. And then I got 3 different kinds of tomatoes. I got some grape tomatoes, some San Marzano. I can't even say it. San Marzano tomatoes, and some other grape tomatoes, like Yeah, grape tomatoes. So yeah, that's all we have so far, and we need to prepare that. Need to water the heck out of these before we leave. We'll only be gone for like a day and a half. Leave Friday morning, back Saturday, or I mean Sunday, so yeah. And then these things are flowering like crazy and being beautiful. I love that place, the garden shop that we were just at. So pretty. And I'm excited to come back from the weekend away because that will be a chance to start in on some of the stuff that we need to do. I need to do weeds, and we got to get this path uncovered a little bit. It's a little too covered up. It does that every single winter. As you can see, it's very green, and we've got a lot of weeding to do. And then I want to plant flowers and so forth. So yeah, the woods are looking like woods now. Some of my very favorite spots in the summer. Sitting in the chairs, looking out at the woods. Love it. Look what little face I see in the window.